how to add a credit or debit card to Roblox, iPhone, Android. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. If you're using the Roblox mobile app, keep in mind that you may not be able to add a payment method directly from the app. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser. Open your favorite browser on your phone. Here, I'll open Safari. And go to roblox.com. Sign into your Roblox account if you haven't already. If you're using a mobile browser and see the option Continue in Browser, tap it to stay on the website instead of opening the Roblox app. Once you're signed in, tap or click the Settings icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, open Account Info. From there, go to the Payment Methods section. Click or tap Add Payment Method, then choose Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. After reviewing your information, click Save or Add Card to finish. Your payment method will now be available for future purchases, including Robux and Roblox Premium subscriptions. For your security, only add payment information on the official Roblox website and avoid entering your card details on third-party sites. That's it. You've successfully added a credit or debit card to your Roblox account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.